So, is this your mall?
This is my mall. Welcome. If you can see, I decided to close this for a while because some boutiques will open there. And this one is a computer shop.
Oh, really?
Like those stupid things in there. And look at that guard. He's the stupid guard I've ever met. Look at him. And look at those lovers.
No, they are not lovers.
It's that triangle with Jollibee. Let me show you my theater.
Oh, the
Upstairs.
theater.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Who are they?
This is the cinema where people supposed to watch their movies. But sometimes I watch alone here with my family.
This is your theater.
Yeah.
Your theater.
Look at those people.
And they are watching the
They're stupid because
full trailer
they thought that was
of the
the movie.
Princess Persia.
That was not. Over there, there's my wife, Chapusit.
Your what?
My wife, Chapusit.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. This is my wife. Chapusit, my wife. Chapusit. And this is my young brother, the blackhead guy.
Oh, how would you introduce me?
And this is my motherfucking sister. Look how stupid she was. Yeah.